WAGO's electronic circuit breakers, or ECBs, are designed to protect your 24-volt DC circuits from overloads and short circuits. Compared to traditional methods such as fuses and MCBs, an ECB offers big benefits. They're extremely compact. The 8-channel saves almost 80% DIN rail space compared to 8 MCBs. In addition, a new series of single-channel ECBs are available. At just 6 millimeters wide, they offer a scalable, space-saving solution. Both types offer adjustable current ratings, giving you flexibility and reliability in one smart package. With remote status monitoring and reset capability, you can keep downtime to a minimum. It's even possible to configure an integrated pre-alarm condition monitoring function that can help avoid costly stoppages.